This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jackie.feagin. Come on home to your forever lifestyle. Waterfront living at its best in this newly updated open floor plan house. Everything you wanted to enjoy time with family every day, with a large backyard overlooking the pool and the lake in this sought-after neighborhood. Newer hardwood floors, HVAC, water heater, pool liner and a 1-year home warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Jackie.feagin at 757-535-4451.